I think it's really important to get out the message of self-employed loans work and how a company like MA Financial actually assists the market with what seems to be a pretty decent gap in the market, because none of the majors really want to help out guys who've started their own business. You hear this thing all the time. People are like, I called X major bank and they said come back to us after 2 years, but I've got this business, it's exploding in growth. I'm hiring people, we're profitable after 9 months, but I can't get into the property market unless I've got a 20% deposit, which is fine, I can get that, but it's the element of being able to get a loan. And obviously, when they're sitting on the sidelines, what tends to happen is, the prices are going up and they're going backwards. So it's costing them money.
And a lot of people forget about those types of customers that are really successful in what they do, but unfortunately are not qualified to go to a major lender and buy their first home. So of course, everyone thinks about the big major fours as their first option. And I do believe that there is an education piece that's missing in the market, and especially with customers. And I think brokers are really important in this education piece, because if a customer comes along to you as a mortgage broker and asks you questions about how to, realize their dream of owning a first home, I think it's really important for the broker to also give that piece of education to the customer about what is possible out in the market and how can they actually achieve that goal that they have. So MA Money is an amazing place to work for, I would like to say. And in terms of how we assist customers is really actually special. And I appreciate all the work that our team goes to actually make this a reality. And a lot of that comes down to the conversations that I have with mortgage brokers and brokers such as yourselves in realizing that goal for a customer.